Alright, so basically while panicking because I got the wrong screwdriver set, I managed to get my Xbox open with some flathead screwdrivers. And wait, what are they? These things right here. So yeah, these are screwdrivers I used, separators, all that. Here's a new fan if it's the fan that's the problem. Anyway, I'm going to clear off some of this place, yes, yes, and I am going to see the problem to my Xbox. So I'm gonna go put the all of that right there, and yeah, let me put my headset and all that stuff right there. Let me take this and lightly put it right there. Let me plug this right there. Alright. So the fan is running, but you can never feel it. I'm gonna leave it right here and see if it's the fan that's the problem. So let me go ahead, put this in right here. Turn on the TV. The fan's moving. I don't know if it's because I cleaned some dust off of it. Yeah, as you can see, that's starting to happen. So I'm just gonna run it real quick. Let me get my controller. Connect this. Alright, let's see here. It wants us to connect to Xbox Live, which I am doing, so. Oh, come on, hurry up. I'm going to run some test games. Anyway, yeah, we'll run some test games real quick, and this will be my first part, and then yeah.